Here's how to use Base44. Base44 is accessible on Google, Safari, or Chrome. Once you have already searched it on the given website, you can now go ahead and make a use of it. To use it, you can go ahead and just put on your prompts on what do you want to build. Let's say, for example, we are going to create a reporting dashboard. Now just go ahead and click on the following prompts and then click on the arrow orange button that you can see at the right side. Afterwards, you need to sign in first so that you will see the finished product of the Base44. As you can see, once you have already signed in, you will see there that the Base44 is thinking of a codes on how they will make you a reporting dashboard. And then as you scroll down, you will see their different prompts, such as they are now editing the revenue entity, editing expense entity, and editing customers entity. Now the last one is editing the layout for the report dashboard. Now it may take a few seconds before the final results will come out, and then afterwards the final results can be now seen on your